This is Discover Parks and we're here in the Swift Moselle, which is a 38 by 12 holiday home. This is a lovely holiday home with patio doors to take you straight out to our 5-star park here at Pearl Lake, with fishing, golf, lots of dog walking, bar, restaurant. So this is the lounge area with a huge sofa. Imagine having a lovely evening in here with family and friends, enjoying a glass of something and looking out onto what I'm sure will be a sunny day by then. So we have the dining room here, the fully fitted kitchen. It's great, it's all open plan, so you can be part of the fun while you're preparing the meals. It's got everything you'd need. Huge fridge freezer, really is home from home. If we go through here now, got the shower room on the right hand side, and lead down here into the master bedroom, which, as you can see, has loads of storage, double bed and an ensuite toilet, which is great. And here we have the second bedroom, which is a twin room. Again, lots of storage, everything you might need. I think you'll agree it's a really lovely holiday home. And if you'd like any more details, or you'd like to come and see us, we're open 7 days a week and we'd love to meet you. So please do get in touch. Bye for now.